All right, we're finding the values of x and y, and the diagram's not to scale. Okay, so what do we know? Well, one thing that we know is that since these lines are parallel, and we know these marks say that they're parallel, then we know that corresponding angles are congruent. What are the corresponding angles? Well, I'm going to draw these lines here so you can just get a sense of which I'm talking about. Okay, we've got these two parallel lines, okay, and they are cut by a transversal in blue right here, right? So if that's true, then what we've got here are corresponding angles here and here, okay? And if that's the case, then we can say then that x minus 3 is equal to 63. Then adding 3 to both sides, x equals 66 degrees. Okay? And now that we know that, I'm going to just erase these marks here. Oops. And what we've got here right now is we've got these three angles. By the way, this angle we know to be 63 right here. Okay? Remember, because that is corresponding with this other 63-degree angle. So now what we've got here is we've got these three angles, this angle, this 48 degrees, and this 63 degrees, all making a straight angle of 180 degrees. And so we can add those together. We can say 63 plus 48 plus y plus 8, that missing amount that we're looking for, right? All of those three together equal 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to take all of these pieces, all of these constants that are like terms, and I'm going to sum them up. Let's see what we get. We get 63 plus 48 plus 8. We get 19, carry the 1, 119. Okay, so we've got then 119 plus y equals 180. And when we subtract 119 from both sides, we get y is equal to 61 degrees. Okay? And that was the second thing that they asked for, which is they asked for the values of x and the values of y, and we found x, and now we have found y as well. That's how you do it.